Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to customize email templates on Shopify. First, go to Shopify and make sure you log it into your store dashboard. Now, click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Then, from the menu, click on Notifications. Now, under Customer Notifications, scroll down a bit and click on Customize Email Templates. Here, you'll enter the email template editor. First, click on Add Image to upload your store logo. Now, select the image from your computer and click on Done once it's uploaded. Use the slider to adjust the logo size to fit nicely in your email header. Next, you can change the accent color that matches your brand. This will apply the buttons and highlights in your emails. After that, scroll down and check sections like Order Confirmation, Shipping Updates, and Customer Account Emails to preview how they look. You can also check the Draft Order Invoice to custom the design or layout. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save at the top right. That's it, your email templates are now customized with your branding. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.